Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to list property on Airbnb. So let me tell you guys, listing a property on Airbnb is free and involves creating an account, selecting become a host, and then filling in details about your space, for example, type, location, amenities, and photos. You set your own pricing and house rules and after identifying verification, your listing goes live, usually appearing in search results within 24 to 72 hours. So to list your property on Airbnb, what you're going to have to do is open your Airbnb app and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Now, if you are already a host, it will ask you to switch to a hosting mode. If you are new to becoming a host, you have to tap become a host. Now, since I'm already a host, I can just simply tap switch to hosting and then switch to a hosting mode. Now, once you've switched to a hosting mode, go to listing at the bottom of your screen. Now tap the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, tap on create a new listing. Now tap get started. Tap on next. Now choose your property type, for example, apartment, house, unique structure, and room type. Once you do that, indicate how many guests you can accommodate along with the number of bedrooms, beds, and bathroom. Now list amenities provided, such as Wi-Fi, kitchen, parking, and essentials. Add high-quality photos of your space to make it appealing to potential guests. Create a catchy title highlighting top amenities and write a detailed description. Once you do that, choose your nightly price and set your availability calendar. Now complete identity verification for security. Once approved, your listing goes live. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.